Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best when it comes to pet care products. Today, we have something perfect for aquarium owners who are looking for a reliable solution for feeding their fish while they're away. Introducing the Petbank Automatic Fish Feeder, the best automatic fish feeder vacation timer on the market. If you're planning a getaway and you need a hassle-free way to ensure your fish are fed on schedule, this device could be just what you're looking for. The Petbank Automatic Fish Feeder is a game-changer for aquarium lovers. This rechargeable auto fish food dispenser comes with a built-in timer that allows you to set up customized feeding schedules for your fish. No more worrying about your pet's meals while you're on vacation or tied up with work. With this feeder, you can ensure your fish get fed at the right time, every time. The first feature that stands out is the sleek, user-friendly LCD screen. Setting up the feeding schedule is as simple as tapping a few buttons. You can customize the amount of food dispensed and program it to feed your fish up to 4 times a day. This flexibility is essential for different types of fish, whether they require a little or a lot. Plus, the feeding mechanism is designed to distribute the food evenly, ensuring your fish get the right amount without overfeeding. Another great feature of the Petbank Automatic Fish Feeder is its rechargeable design. No need to worry about constantly replacing batteries. With the included USB charger, you can quickly recharge the device, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. The convenience of recharging the feeder means you won't be left in a lurch when the battery runs low. This feeder is built to handle various types of fish food, from flakes to pellets. The compartment is spacious enough to hold enough food for several days, depending on how often you schedule feeding. So even if you're gone for a few days or a week, this feeder has you covered. It's also designed to be easy to clean, with a removable food tray that you can wash without much hassle. One of the biggest concerns when using an automatic feeder is how it handles different environmental conditions. The Petbank Automatic Fish Feeder is built with a reliable food dispensing system that keeps the food dry, preventing it from clumping together. This is particularly important for maintaining the quality of your fish's food and ensuring it's dispensed without issue. Whether you have a small freshwater aquarium or a large saltwater tank, this feeder is versatile and can accommodate various tank sizes and fish types. Its compact design means it won't take up much space and can be mounted easily on the side of your aquarium, making it a discreet yet efficient solution. Now, let's talk about the overall durability and design. The Petbank Automatic Fish Feeder is made with high-quality materials that can withstand regular use. It's sturdy, lightweight, and compact, making it easy to transport if you need to take it with you. It's also backed by positive customer feedback, so you can feel confident that it's a reliable product for long-term use. In conclusion, if you're in search of an automatic fish feeder that offers customizable schedules, reliable performance, and a hassle-free setup, the Petbank Automatic Fish Feeder is your best bet. It's the ideal solution for anyone who wants to make sure their fish are fed properly, even when they're not around. Whether you're heading out on vacation or just need a bit more convenience in your daily life, this feeder is here to help. That's all for today's review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.